Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Jay. It's almost September. September is fall. So I had this wreath thing and I thought I'd set and try to make a wreath for my front door. I got all these leaves and things that I got from the dollar store. And I was like, I'm just gonna stick them in, try to make myself a wreath for fall. So I thought since I was doing it, I'd do it on camera so you can craft with me while I make my wreath. It's my hope, since I've never done this before, and I'm making another one, but it's drying over there, so it's my hope that this wreath will come out really nice and look good on my back door, because I'm going to put a really big one on my front door that I'm making also. I think I showed you the beginnings of it that I started it. So I'm just gonna stick some leaves and things down in here. Let me move it up on the camera so you can kind of see what I'm doing there. So I'm put a little glue in there just to keep things in, so when I put it on my door it doesn't fall off. I'm not really good with glue and stuff, so kind of go with me with that. I have these big leaves that I got too. I like the way they look. I took them off they came on a branch, but I kind of peeled them off and wanted to stick them around in here like that. Put a little hot glue on them so it won't come up. Hope it doesn't end up looking like a glued up mess. Keep knocking my light over. Let me see if I can give my light a better spot. There, that should be bright enough. Hoping it's bright enough and everybody can see what I'm doing. So I got another green leaf that I want to stick down here. I kind of like this one, this barrel thing, because it does allow you to be able to stick things inside the branches. And I got the idea from a book that I got. Where's the book? I got the idea from this book, Beautiful Wreaths and Garland, 35 projects to decorate your home for all occasions. So that's where I got the idea to make this wreath from. So this is the book. So let me get going so I won't be too long making this. But I just kind of want to make sure I stick stuff in it. Get everything stuck in there. Put a little glue down in it because I don't want them to come out once I hang it on the door. So I need another one. And I wrap these things. These things came wrapped like that. And I wrapped them a little bit tighter so I can stick them down in there like that. They're kind of like a corn husk type thing that you can stick down in there. Hope it comes out pretty too. I'm thinking it's gonna be pretty. And then I got these little balls too from the Dollar Tree. They were on a big plant. But they stick down in there pretty nice. And let's go up here with another leaf. Now this leaf, when I was tearing it off its piece, it kind of messed up a bit. So I have to put some glue on it and just kind of lay it on here. Got to be careful because, ooh, that glue is hot. So I just kind of want to lay it up. Wonder if I got another one. I just got one more because there wasn't that many on that thing I had. So I want to take this one, stuff it down in here so it can seem like it's climbing up a little bit. So I can feel like it's climbing up a little bit. I'll put some hot glue in here to stick it down in the back. There it goes. There it goes. That's looking okay. That's looking okay. Then I got this pumpkin. I stuck a thing in it, in the back of it. So I'm gonna stick the pumpkin down in here. I stuck a piece of thing in there. So I'll stick my pumpkin down in there like that. I'm put some glue on here. I'm put some glue on everything because around my way it gets a little windy. And the last thing I want is my pumpkin to go flying off my wreath. Okay, let's put some more greenery in here. Stick some more greenery down in there. Like that. I'll get another piece of my greenery. Uh-oh. Another piece of greenery. Stick it here. Oop, sorry, got my head in there. Don't want you to see the top of my head. I'm trying to stick it in there like that. There. I'm liking it so far. I'm liking it. What do you think? How's it looking? Can you see it good? Okay, good. Looks pretty good so far. I think I want, so I don't have any of these white branches up there. I'll stick that in there. Put some glue on it so it doesn't go anywhere. Now, I probably want, because I have another pumpkin to stick down in there. I played around with it before I got on camera to see where I wanted to stick things to make my wreath for my door. But everybody needs a wreath in the fall. You gotta have a good fall wreath. If I like it a whole bunch, I'll probably just go out and hang it on the front door. Hang my really big one on the back door. The really big one is having a hard time. Oh, let me see if I can get this pumpkin on here. Him, I think I'll set him right there. But he's gonna need, set him up like that. He's gonna need a lot of glue on him to make him stick. So I want him right in here. So let's put some glue in there. Ooh, this glue is hot. Look at that smoke. Woo, hope it doesn't melt the pumpkin. Hope pumpkin doesn't melt, because he's made of styrofoam. So I'm hoping it doesn't melt the styrofoam when I try to stick pumpkin on there. Ooh, ooh, still smoking. Wow. You talk hot. When you say hot glue right there. Hot glue. Okay, pumpkin. This needs to be stuck down there. Hope they're stuck down there really tight. What else do I want to put in here? I want to stick in here another, what am I, like I've never made a wreath before, so this is my first wreath making adventure. I thought I'd try it on camera so you could see me do it. And plus that made me want to do it, you know, because I had this project sitting around for a while. But I thought to myself, if I try to film it and add it to one of my crafts with me, I probably would go and finish it. So that's what happened. Added it to a craft with me and now it's getting finished. I've got to stick down. Whoa, don't put your hands on there, Jay. It's anything about hot glue. It's hot. That's why it's called hot glue. But anyway, it's hot, Jay. What a funny thing about hot glue. It's hot. Jay, I don't know what to say about you, old girl. But anyway, let's see. I want a piece of greenery up here because I cut all these things up from the Dollar Tree. So if you're ever in the Dollar Tree, pick up your flowers, pick up your reforms, and then start making it. I think this is gonna look good on my door though. I think it looks good. What do you think? I think it looks good. I don't think I should add a whole bunch more to it. Even though I got a bit more. I'll say it's because some of it's supposed to go for my big wreath. So, here it is, my friends. See if I can go back a little bit so you can see it. There's my wreath. And my dog barking in the background. Grace, be quiet. There it is. I'll take a picture of the whole thing when I'm done. But that's my wreath. Thanks for creating with me today. Whoa, I can't believe it came out so good. It looks really good. I had a little bowl. Let me see if the little bowl helps it out in a little bit. Wait a minute. I got a bowl. Bought a little bowl. Not a big bowl, but I bought a little bowl from the Dollar Tree too. Let's see how this looks on here. This little bowl. Little bow is kind of too little. Little bow's too little. Let me move it down so I can show it to you. You can tell me if you think it's too little. Do you think the bow is too little? Too little. Anyway, thank you for crafting with me today. Hope you're having a good Sunday afternoon. I am. I got quite a few projects that I had to do completed. I'm gonna sorry for hearing the dog bark in the background, but Grace is kind of a barker. She likes to bark. Somebody probably just walked past our house. Someone probably just walked past our house. So if you like if you like my wreath, give me a thumbs up. If you like what I'm doing here on my channel, I'm still a planner girl and I still like to plan out what I'm doing. So this was one of the things that was on my list to do. So if you like what I'm doing on my channel, give me a thumbs up. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Please subscribe. So I'll talk to you all soon in my next video. Be the reason that somebody smiles. Have a good week. Stay blessed. Stay safe. And I'll talk to you all soon. Bye now.